Today, I'm going to teach you about 25 kitchen words like knife, fork, spoon, and spatula. And don't worry, we'll have quick quizzes along the way to help you remember them. Knife. I use this knife to chop onions. Careful, tears incoming. Fork. Twirl the salad on your fork like a pro. Spoon. Scoop the soup carefully. Watch that steam rise. Plate. Place your sandwich on a plate and get ready to enjoy it. Cup. Pour juice into a cup, don't spill it. Bowl. Mix your cereal in the bowl before breakfast. Yum! Mini quiz number 1. Quick question. Which tool do you use to scoop soup? A. Fork. B. Spoon. C. Knife. Think? Got it? Yep, it's the spoon. Pan. Fry eggs in a pan. Careful, hot oil alert. Pot. Boil water in a pot for pasta. Look at that steam. Oven. Bake your cake in the oven. Golden perfection every time. Stove. Turn on the stove and let the cooking magic begin. Microwave. Heat leftovers in the microwave. Beep, beep, ready to eat. Fridge. Keep your milk cold in the fridge. So fresh and tasty. Freezer. Store ice cream in the freezer, if you can resist eating it all. Mini quiz number 2. Which appliance keeps ice cream frozen? A. Microwave. B. Oven. C. Freezer. Yes, it's the freezer. Knife block. Slide your knives safely back into the knife block. Easy and safe. Cutting board. Chop veggies on the cutting board. Save your countertop from scratches. Measuring cup. Use a measuring cup to get flour just right. No lumps. Whisk. Whisk eggs until fluffy. Perfect for pancakes. Spatula. Flip pancakes carefully with a spatula. Wow, that looks yummy. Tongs. Grab the hot corn safely with tongs. No burnt fingers. Colander. Drain pasta using a colander. Water goes down, pasta stays up. Mini quiz number 3. Which tool flips pancakes? A. Whisk. B. Spatula. C. Tongs. Yes, it's the spatula. Grater. Grate cheese or veggies into tiny pieces, perfect for pizza night. Peeler. Peel potatoes with a peeler. Careful with those fingers. Ladle. Serve soup safely with a ladle. Don't spill. Can opener. Open canned beans easily with a can opener. No effort, no mess. Tray. Carry dishes on a tray. Balance them carefully. Mini quiz number 4. Which tool turns cheese or veggies into tiny pieces? A. Peeler. B. Ladle. C. Grater. Yes, it's the grater. Which word will you use today? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something and subscribe for daily vocab win.